It's underneath that one.
Forging glass.
Yes.
You want to see forging glass? Not yet.
I like that wine bottle.
Artiste.
Yeah, be an artist of that, 'cause I wanna keep that wine bottle up here.
Do something. Create something. You need to bury it in those coals first. And
Hold
light it.
on.